everyone. My name is Carlos Evercontes, and this is the introduction of this topic. You have learned to perform operations involving exponents either as positive, negative, or zero exponent. In this topic, the idea of exponents extends to include all rational numbers. Any quantity with a fractional exponent represents a radical expression. The solution to the problem requires the finding the square root of a number or solving equations with radicals.
Let's have the given for number 1. The given is 3 squared all over x to the power of -3, y to the power of -4, all over -2 to the power of -1, x to the power of -4, y to the power of -5. First of these, you have to copy the 3 squared as your numerator. Then, you have to put x to the power of -3, y to the power of -4 as your denominator. 3 squared all over x cubed y4 all over 1 over -2 x 4 y5. But before we proceed multiplying, we have to simplify first the 3 squared. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So, 9 all over x cubed y4 times -2 x 4 y5 all over 1. And then just multiply this. Okay? 9 times -2x 4y5 is equals to -8 4 -18x x4 y5 all over x cubed y4 times 1 is equals to x cubed y4. And then just divide this one. The final answer is -18xy.
Good evening everyone, my name is Rafael Morel. This is my given problem. Simple to get the answer of this problem. You just multiply x -5 to the power of 3 and just copy also the x -1, and when we combine it, the result is x -15 and x -1. But before we get the final answer, we use first the addition process. Then since they are the same in variables, and add the 2. So the correct answer is x -16, and get the reciprocal of x -16, and then the final answer is 1 all over x to the power of -16. That's all.
Everyone, my name is Joel Marscars, and we're going to have a simplifying radical expression. And we have here a given or problem. The third problem is the square root of 45k cubed h squared. So the technique for this problem is we call term by term. So first, we have to get the factor of the first term, 45. So we get the 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is a perfect square. And then the second term is k cubed. So we have there k squared times k. And this is also a perfect square. Then the last one, the third term, is h squared. Since h squared is a perfect square, so we are going to copy it. And we have here 9 times 5 times k squared times k times h squared. Then our final answer is 3kh, the square root of 5k. And this is our final answer. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Warren Figueroa, and this is problem number 4. The square root of 3x plus 7 equals positive 7. First one, put the square in the top of the radical side and the radical. And you put also the square in the 7 so that it would make a perfect square. Then, simplify the 2 into 2 and the answer is 3x plus 7 equals 49. Now, copy the 3x, then put the equal sign and copy also the 49, then insert the 7. But this time, the positive 7 becomes negative. Finally, copy the 3x and subtract the 49 by 7 so that the answer is 3x equals 42. But this is not the final answer. And you divide 3x and 42 by 3. And the final answer is x is equals to 14. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We are the Algebrainers. Like us on YouTube.